In these next series of slides, we're going to discuss the limbal clearance zone and how to adjust it. So the limbal clearance zone is very important. It's really crucial that we don't have any limbal touch. Limbal touch by the lens will cause damage to the limbal stem cells, which are responsible for the corneal epithelium production. So this is the area on the lens that the limbal clearance zone corresponds to, and this is the area where we can make adjustments plus or minus to increase or decrease the height. As you can see from the image on the left, there is inadequate vaulting with this lens. That dark ring shows that there's touch almost 360 degrees. So the image on the right is showing complete clearance, and this is going to be our aim. With the limbal clearance zone, what we're actually altering is the angle. So a 1 degree change in angle equals a 25 micron change in the overall sag of the lens. So it's the height above the apex that's changing when we adjust the limbal clearance zone, as well as the adjustment on the limbal clearance zone itself. Typically, we wouldn't make any changes less than 5 steps or 5 degrees. This will give us 125 microns of lift at the apex. The amount that it lifts off of the limbers is variable depending on the curvature of the back surface. So this varies according to sag and is a non-linear relationship. So this is the area that we can see in this OCT image. You can see the limbus highlighted in orange and the clearance zone highlighted in yellow, and there is a degree of touch. So we know we need to increase this limbal clearance zone. So on the standard lens, this is showing us with a central clearance of 309 microns. If we increase the limbal clearance zone by 5 degrees, this gives us 125 microns of lift and increases the apical clearance. If we reduce the apical clearance by reducing the limbal clearance zone by 5 degrees, that drops it down by approximately 125 microns. So you can see very graphically the change in apical clearance that's caused by altering the limbal clearance zone. OCT image at the top has touch over virtually the whole of the limbal area. By changing that angle and increasing it by 5 degrees, it lifts it away from that limbus and ensures that the area stays healthy.